Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic: how to watch YouTube on Apple CarPlay using CarTube. If you've ever wondered whether it's possible to enjoy your favorite videos while driving, stick around because we've got the answers. First things first, let's talk about Apple CarPlay. It's a fantastic feature that allows seamless integration between your iPhone and your car's infotainment system. CarPlay lets you access navigation, messages, calls, and music apps directly from your car's touchscreen. But what about YouTube? Unfortunately, out of the box, CarPlay doesn't support YouTube. Apple wants to keep you focused on the road, which means no video streaming apps. But fear not, we've got a solution: CarTube. CarTube is a game changer. It's an app that bridges the gap between YouTube and CarPlay, allowing you to watch videos right from your car's display. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Download CarTube from the website. The link is in the description. Step 2. Install CarTube and connect your phone to CarPlay. Voila! You're now ready to watch YouTube videos on your car's screen. CarTube seamlessly integrates with CarPlay, giving you access to your favorite content. So next time you're stuck in traffic or waiting for someone, fire up CarTube and enjoy YouTube on Apple CarPlay. Remember to drive safely and keep your eyes on the road. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, drive safe.